welcome back to another edition of Tower TV. Today we are out at the flying field and we have the E-Flite 1.5 meter air tractor. Now this is modeled after a crop duster plane, which are pretty popular here in Illinois. We've been seeing them a lot in the spring. We've got two batteries we're going to try out today. We've got a 4S 3200 and a 4S 2200. See which one flies a little bit better. We just have some general fun in the sky today. So we do have the bind and fly version of this plane that comes in a P&P or a bind and fly. And we're piloting with the IX-12. We got the red edition over here for that nice tower look. So we're going to get in the skies and have some fun. All right, E-Flite Air Tractor 1.5 in the air. A little bit of a wind here today, not much, probably 5-7 miles an hour, somewhere in that range. So I am nowhere near an experienced pilot, but this E-Flite Air Tractor is definitely making it easy on me. This is the first time I've actually flown a low-wing plane, and it is dang easy to fly. Just feels like a high-wing timber, nice and easy to putz around in the air. Turns are nice and smooth, has good power. I'm probably about half a stick, quarter stick. I haven't even gotten to full stick right now. Just flying around. We are using Spectrum Safe on me because I am not an experienced pilot. Alright guys, so that's our little flight video with the E-Flite Air Tractor 1.5 meter. One thing I did notice between the batteries is it flew a little bit better with the 2200. It was just a bit lighter. And then I would recommend put that battery as far forward as you can get it, as long as the Velcro can still hold the battery in, just because it adds a bit more nose weight. The plane's a little bit happier in the air, but other than that, great flying plane. I really enjoyed flying it. I hope you enjoyed watching the video. See you later, guys.